Now we deal with the factory overheads. You can call it manufacturing overheads. These are the indirect costs. These are called indirect manufacturing costs. Did you hear what I said?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Indirect manufacturing costs. So we must go and check them one by one, like what we did before. Let's start with the list. Let's start up there. Which one do you think is factory related, but it's not direct? It's manufacturing overheads. Which one? Is this one factory related? Admin.
Uh, yes, it is.
Admin. No. It's not in the factory. In the factory, we don't have admin expense. We don't have administrative. Admin is when we start selling the product like outside.
Okay, so no, definitely not.
Can I tell you something to avoid making mistake here? Here you want
Yes,
anything to do with the factory. If it doesn't have something to do with the factory, we don't record. Is this thing, do you see any factory information here?
no, sir.
Any factory information here?
No, sir.
Any factory information here?
Yes, wages paid to security at factory.
Can you see? We said this one about it. We said is what? This is an indirect what? Labor. This person is working in the factory, but is not involved in the production. Can you see now?
Yes, sir.
So we can call this indirect labor if you want, or we can just call it wages to the security. I don't know. Can we call it indirect labor? Or what do you think?
For me to understand, so I'm just gonna say wages paid to security.
Wages, and then you say security. Yeah. Okay. Wages. And then you say security.
Yes,
How much was it? Let's check.
12,500.
12,000. Let me just scroll it over. Because next time they can give you indirect labor. Just know that you're gonna put it in it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Can you continue?
Yes, sir.
We're looking for that. Anything to do with factory? Let's see. Do you see any factory here on the salaries?
No, sir.
Any factory here?
Repairs and maintenance to factory equipment. Yes, 5,000.
Can you see the magic way it is here? It's a factory or manufacturing, so we're gonna use this one. You can just say repairs and maintenance factory. Okay.
Okay.
The amount was
5,000.
5,000. Can you see the flow now?
Yes, sir.
Problem? Let's see. The next one. Do you see water and electricity factory here?
Yes, 75% applicable to the factory.
Yes, we need this one. which is 35,000. But we're going to use only 75% because we want only for the factory. This is manufacturing only factory. If it's not factory, don't touch.
Okay, sir.
Problem.
It's 35,000. The amount is 26,250.
Thank you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's go and look for the other one. What do you see? Do you see any other one?
Yes, sir. General expenses factory 2,200.
Yes, this one. Expenses. You okay?
Yes, sir. I'm with you.
Okay, let's go and check. Any other thing that you see?
Rent expenses are 14,000 at 70%.
70%, 14,000. Okay.
Sir, are you in a plane or something? I can hear like a zooey sound or something, if you understand what I'm saying.
Even now,
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's
this is
not
my
as loud.
laptop, which has been doing funny sound. I don't know.
Oh, oh, sounds like you're in a plane. The
No,
amount is
I
9,000.
wish.
It's 9,800.
Okay. I think now we can see the floor. Ne?
Yes, sir.
Let's go and check any other thing.
The last one is insurance factory.
Clearance factory of 12,800.
Yes. Okay, and then it's the total amount which
Remember,
is
before totaling, before you total, you must also check
additional
the information.
information.
Yeah, you must also check this information. There's a depreciation which is for manufacturing equipment. In other words, this will be part of manufacturing overhead. Okay.
Okay. I mustn't forget the additional
So
information.
it means we must calculate depreciation.
Okay, sir.
How do you think we are going to calculate?
So where it says will you take for equipment? Yep. I didn't know that one. I don't know.
Okay. Oh, by the way, you still have to do accounting 1B, ne?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's why. So when we depreciate, there are two methods. We have got the straight line method. The straight line or the cost price method is when you just take the cost and you multiply it by the percentage. Okay?
So you're saying you're taking the
If they said cost price method, you will just take the cost of that asset and you multiply it by the percentage.
okay.
But because they said carrying value, it means diminishing balance method. The formula is you take
Okay.
680 60 is the carrying value, ne?
Okay, sir.
And you times it by 20%. Don't worry, you still have to learn about this thing when you do accounting
1B.
1B years. So you take the carrying value. Luckily, they gave us the carrying value at the beginning. So this one is easy. And then you just multiply it by 20% and you will get the depreciation.
Okay, so 680,000 times 20%. That is 136,000.
This is the depreciation on the factory equipment.
Carrying value. Okay.
Yeah. This is the depreciation. Depreciation
Okay.
is the lost value. So the asset lost a value of 136,000. You know, when you buy a car loses value, you know that.
Yes, sir. Especially BMW.
That is depreciation. Yeah?
I'm saying especially BMW.
Yeah, you can see they introduce BMW every week.
That's true, sir. So if you say if it's on cost, all times
You
by
will
the 20%.
you will take the cost because there's a difference between the carrying value and the cost. You will take the cost and you multiply it by 20%.
Okay.
Like I said, you're gonna learn this in detail, the depreciation in detail in accounting 1B.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay, so now we total.
Yes.
Okay, the final total amount is 204,550.
Thank you. Please.
Yes, sir.